We are given a function here. H of x is equals to negative x cubed plus 3x squared plus 72x plus 1. And I want us to calculate the point of inflection. So remember that the point of inflection is where the curve changes the concavity from being concave up to being concave down, or from being concave down to being concaved up. So we call that point a point of inflection. They give us the x coordinates of the turning points, -4 and +6 here. And these are the three ways you can calculate for the x coordinate of the point of inflection. The common one is this. The second derivative, you equate it to 0, or if you know the x coordinates of the turning point, you can use this formula here, and you can also use this formula here if you're given the equation. So let's calculate the point of inflection of this curve, and yeah, let's use the first one there. And when I did this, I get x is equals to +1. I took the second derivative and I equated it to 0. I solved for x here, and I got that the x coordinate of the point of inflection is at x is equals to 1. And now let's use the second formula to see if we get the same answer. So we will say x is equals to the x coordinate of the turning point is -4 and +6. So we add the 2 there. It's equals to -4 plus 6 over 2. It's equals to -4 plus 6 is 2. And then 2 over 2 is 1. So we get the same answers here. And let's see if we get the same answer if we use this one here. Let me write it down here. X is equals to -b. So what is our b value here? Our b value is 3. It's +3 there. So our b value is +3, -3 over 3a. What is our a value? Our a value is -1, as you can see there. It's -1. So the answer is -3 over -3 is equals to 1. So you can see all these three formulas here, they give us the same answer. So the x coordinate of the point of inflection is at x is equals to 1. So I think 1 is around here. So let me write 1 here, which is the point of inflection. It changes from being concave up to concave down. So this is the point where this all occurs. So how do we use the point of inflection to answer questions? Point of inflection is very important in answering where those questions where they ask you to name the x values, or write down the x values where the graph is concave up, and write the x values where the graph is concave down. So we can see that the graph is concave up when x is less than 1. So when x is less than 1, the graph will be concave up like this to -infinity. It will be concave up, and then it will be concave down when when x is greater than 1. So for you to answer this type of questions, you need the point of inflection. It will tell you where the graph is concave up and where the graph is concave down.